Good morning, my dear students. Are you doing well? Now, continuation of organic chemistry nomenclature. At home, you are doing well. So, once practice the nomenclatures of all organic compounds. So, different rules, very important. Okay. Today, tomorrow, I will finish the organic chemistry bridge course. Next day, after one day. So, tomorrow I will finish the bridge course. Next day, I will start lessons. Atomic structure first. Can I start? Next, last concept. Nomenclature of cyclic compounds. Nomenclature of cyclic compounds. IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic compound. Cyclic compounds nomenclature. So generally cyclic compound means or cyclic compounds are under name is alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds. Ali means alicyclic compound. Simply cycloalkanes, suppose. Cycloalkanes. Suppose is there. That name is cyclobutane. Here name is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Here because here carbon is there. Accept the structure like that. CH2, CH2, CH2 like that. I am writing here bond length formula required. Here also simply CH2, CH2, and CH2, and CH2 like that. I given bond length formulas required. Cyclobutane, cyclopropane like that. So these are all our compounds. Okay. And another one is, write down, and another nomenclature of cyclic compounds. Next another is there cyclopentane, and another here cyclohexane. Like that, these are cycloalkanes. They are ring compounds, ring structures or cyclic compound. So now rules. Suppose is there, here chlorine, here methyl is there. Chlorine no methyl is there. Here chlorine, alphabetical order. Chlorine first, methyl next. Here numbering, here 1, here 2. Here 1, here 2. So simply 1 chloro, 2 methyl, cyclohexane. 1 chloro, 2 methyl, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Next another. Here alphabetical order. C first, methyl next. And another is there. Here methyl. Here methyl. Here methyl is there. Here numbering. So here numbering. Suppose same. Methyl, methyl, here methyl. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in this case 1 plus 3 plus 4, 8. In this case 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7. So these are correct, these are wrong. Number in which direction correct? That correct. That means the compound name is, so these are naming simply 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, trimethyl, cyclohexane, 1, 2, 4. Here numbering in this direction. We know lowest sum rule required. So about two structures, so first structure wrong numbering. So second structure correct. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, trimethyl cyclohexane, trimethyl cyclohexane, trimethyl cyclohexane. So these are our, so they are point. And another, I am saying another 1,2,4 trimethyl cyclohexane. What that name? Cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. Name only functional groups. Cyclohexanol. Cyclopentanol. Sorry, cyclopentanol. Penta means 5 carbons. Cyclopentanol. Another. Name cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Carboxylic acid. Cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Direct. Cyclopentanol, cyclopentane, carbon. Here E required. Cyclopentane carboxylic acid or cyclopentane 1 carboxylic acid. Simply cyclopentane 1 carboxylic acid. Cyclopentane 1 carboxylic acid. Direct. Here compulsory write cyclopentane 1 carboxylic acid. Cyclic compounds. Next another. Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. Hexam is only 6. Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. Next. Among this, here numbering, function group direction required. Function group direction means these are 1, these are 2. Don't keep here 1 because function group here 1 or 2. So that means 2-chloro, cyclobutanol, 2-chloro, cyclobutanol, 2-chloro, cyclobutanol. So that is IUPAC name of compounds. Suppose rule, if alkyl group attached to cyclic ring, if alkyl group attached to cyclic ring, then ring having more number of carbon atoms than alkyl group, the compound name as alkyl cycloalkane. If alkyl group attached to cyclic ring, the ring having more number of carbon atoms than alkyl group, the compound name is alkyl cycloalkane. Understand my point? If alkyl group attached to, alkyl group is open chain compound. If alkyl group attached to ring, having more number of carbons than alkyl group, the compound name as alkyl cycloalkane. Suppose example, here is there. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 means propane. one hydrogen remover. These are considered as a propyl. Simple that name is. So simple that name is propyl. Propyl cyclobutane. Propyl cyclobutane or here number 1. Here 1, 2, 3 like that. So 1 propyl cyclobutane or 1 propyl. First carbon is propyl group. 1 propyl cyclobutane. 1 propyl cyclobutane. So that is important. So example 1. And example 2. Example 2. Suppose here methyl group, here ethyl group. Here methyl group. Here methyl group. These are ethyl group. Methyl group, ethyl group. Which one first importance? Alphabetical order. Ethyl means E first will come. Methyl means next will come. So here numbering. Here 1, here 2. Here 1, here 2. That means name is ethyl first E. So simple that name is 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclohexane. 1 ethyl, 2 methyl cyclohexane. And example 3. Example 3. In this case, the ethyl bromine, B first. 1, 2. That means that name is 1 bromo, 2 ethyl, cyclopentane, 2 ethyl, cyclopentane, 1 bromo, 2 ethyl, cyclopentane. Pentane is how many carbons? 5 carbons. Next rule. If alkyl groups attached to ring, then alkyl groups having more number of carbon atoms than ring. The compound named as cycloalkyl alkanes. The compound named as cycloalkyl alkanes. Here ring is attached to alkyl group, but alkyl group having more number of carbon atoms than the ring. The compound is considered as a name cycloalkyl alkanes. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 is there. Here suppose these are cyclobutane. Here bond means cyclobutyl. Here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply 1 cyclobutyl pentane. 1 cyclobutyl pentane. That name correct. 1 cyclobutyl pentane. Example 2. numbering here compulsory here. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cyclopentyl. Here cyclopentyl means C required. Next to methyl. Here cyclopentyl. Here cyclo, sorry. Here cyclobutyl. C first, methyl next. Here name 1 cyclobutyl, 4 methyl heptane. 1 cyclobutyl, 4 methyl heptane. Cyclobutyl, C first. 1 cyclobutyl, 4 methyl heptane. In this case, and another one is here 6, but functional group importance. This carbon 6, the ring 6, here also 6. But here main, these are branch, sub branch. That means these are first carbon, these are second carbon. Simply here 2 within bracket. Here 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, like that. 2 second carbon sub branch. 2 bar, 2, they are main, 1, 2, 3 like that, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are sub branches, they are main, they are sub branch. 2, next 5 bar methyl, 5 bar methyl. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Methyl, hexyl. Why methyl hexyl? Here main, these are branch, these are main importance here, functional group is there. 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. After that, these are 6 bar like that. Here 6 bar not considered. Okay. Here 5 bar. Fifth carbon contains sub branch. Methyl is there. 2 main branch. 2. 5 bar. Methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexyl. Cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone. Idea students understand? They are different. Tough structure. They are main. Because why? Functional group is there. Here 6 carbons, but functional group importance. Ring alkyl groups having equal number of carbons is there. Importance functional group. Your functional group is there. Here main line, subline 1 bar. Simply these are 1 bar. Here 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, 6 bar. But 5 bar contain one methyl group. 2 main, I kept in the bracket. 5 bar, methyl, hexyl. Methyl hexyl cyclopentane. 5 bar methyl hexyl cyclopentane. So that structure. So example 3 and example 4. That name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Special names. Cyclohexane contains CHO, cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Here cyclohexane, if attached to CHO, cyclohexane carbaldehyde. In this case, here numbering which direction correct? CHO, NO2, Cl. Here compulsory numbering 1. After that, here both are prefixes. Nitro, N, chloro, C. N first, C first, C first. That means numbering here 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any direction CHO first 1. Don't keep here 1. Here 1, not here. Here overall cyclohexane carbaldehyde here 1, not here 1. 1. Chloro first, nitro first, chloro first. 4, 3, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 chloro, 5 nitro. 4 plus 5, 9. In here 3 plus 4, 7. So in this case 1 okay. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. Which one is better? So in this case correct. So these are wrong. So these are correct. Both cases 4. But these are 3 nitro. These are sum. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. Which one better? First one is correct. So name is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 chloro. 4 chloro. 3 nitro. Cyclohexane. Carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane. Carbaldehyde. Write down. Once I am saying 4 chloro. 4 chloro. 3 nitro. 4 chloro. 3 nitro. 4 chloro. 3 nitro. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So these are different types of alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compound. I am giving another example. 4 chloro, 3 nitro, cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Next. Another one is example 5. In this case importance, here 4, but double bond importance. Double bond importance means here numbering compulsory. Here 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 cyclobutyl, but-2-ene. 1 cyclobutyl, first carbon. Both are having same number of carbons, but importance is double bond direction important. These are considered as a main chain, these are a substituent. So 1 cyclobutyl, but-2-ene. Next. Here is there double bond importance. Double bond importance means here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here chlorine is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double bond means starting to ending. 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here fourth carbon having chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Here, in this direction, in this case, double bond 1, 2. Here, in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth carbon chlorine, fifth carbon chlorine, lowest number. So these are wrong. So these are correct. That name of the compound is 1, 2, 3. Here 4, here 5. Which one is correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. So simply 4 chloro, cyclobute-1-ene, or simply 4 chloro, cyclobutene, 4 chloro, cyclobutene, that is 4 chlorocyclobutene, that is correct. Okay, my dear students, following interest. Okay, remembering all forms at home. Once my suggestion, once practice the all structures, please. ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ప్రిపేర్ అయితే అంత ఈజీగా ఉంటుందమ్మా, ఏం కష్టం కాదు, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు బ్రిడ్జ్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇప్పుడు బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్సులో కెమిస్ట్రీ నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను అవన్నీ మనకి ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లెసన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ మనం కవర్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. అప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మనం మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం అనేది తక్కువ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్సులో అన్ని ఉపయోగంగా ఆల్ ఆర్ యూజ్ఫుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఓకే, here is there importance, here 3 carbons, here 5 carbon, but importance of function group is there. Simply I am writing like that. One, two, three. Here 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, like that. Here bar. Here main line. That means 2. Chlorine first or methyl first? Chlorine. So 2 bar chloro, 3 bar methyl. Total how many? 5. 5 means pentyl. Cyclopropanol. Cyclopropanol, that name. Again I am saying second carbon sub-brand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 bar chloro, 3 bar methyl, 2 bar chloro, 3 bar methyl. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentyl. Cyclopropanol. That is IUPAC nomenclature of these compounds. Okay, so these are students, these are nomenclature of this compound. And another finally, that name is total how many carbons? 5. Cyclopentene. But 2 is a pentadiene. Here numbering. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. One, two, three, 4. Any direction? Okay. Any direction? First carbon double bond, third carbon double bond. First carbon double bond, third carbon double bond. Any direction? Okay, numbering. Because first carbon double bond, third carbon double bond. Don't keep here 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Any direction equal better. Cyclopent. First carbon double bond, third carbon double bond. Cyclopent 1,3 diene. Cyclopent 1, cyclopent 1,3 diene. Cyclopent 1,3 diene. So that is cyclopent 1,3 diene. Cyclopent 1,3 diene. Okay. In this case, here importance functional group. Functional group is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are main chain. They are branched. In this numbering, in this direction, in this direction. In this case, these are 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar. Same. Here 2 bar. Numbering in this direction wrong. That means here 5. 5 within bracket. 2 bar. Cyclobutynyl 2 bar. cyclobutynyl. Why butynyl? Actually these are cyclobutane, cyclobutyl, the name cyclobutynyl. Why butynyl? Removal of one nitrogen atom. 2 bar. Here numbering required. Cyclobutynyl correct. Where 2 bar? 5. 2 bar. 5 next 1 bar 2 bar. 2 bar cyclobutynyl. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means so 5 means pentanol or 5 2 bar cyclobutynyl. So pentane 1 or anyone correct. So 2 bar, simply 2 bar cyclo, 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5, here subbrand 1, 2 bar cyclobutynyl pentanol or 5 2 bar cyclobutynyl pentane 1 r. Okay, 5 pentanol 2 bar cyclobutynyl. Okay my dear students, so these are completed cyclic compound. Next class last tomorrow I will explain organic compounds. So benzene compounds, benzene, nomenclature of benzene, substituted benzene compound. Tomorrow class last for bridge course. Okay, tomorrow class don't miss the class. So tomorrow bridge course last, after that I will start lessons. Okay my dear students, so enough. Thank you for all.